Okay. Let's fill this off first.
Zero water in
Okay.
here.
Opo ko, Sir Willie. Hi guys, on today's video I am going to show you how to assemble the rainbow vacuum step by step. It's very easy and it is very simple to do it by yourself. Okay, ready? So the first thing that we are going to do is to refill the water basin up to this line until here. Okay, look at the water until here, okay? That's the water. So rainbow vacuum don't have the bag. We only use water, which is really good. This area, okay? Then second thing that you're going to do, so we have a dolly here, and then fit this basin with the clean water in here like this. Make sure that everything is aligned like this. That is the next step. So align the basin properly to this dolly. This is the basin with water. This dolly, it should be aligned. That is step number 2. Next, number 3, we have to put this upper part of the rainbow machine, and then afterwards we have to lock this side and then the other side. Okay, it should be at the same time. That's step number. Next step, you have to fit this hose to this hole and make sure that it is locked like this. That's number 4. The number 5, turn on the power to the max speed. Okay, let's set the water here. Okay, we are ready to clean like this. Step number 5.